Okay, hello friends. Today our topic is development of heart. Okay, so first let's take this is the embryo at 18 days. Okay, embryo at 18 days. In 18 days, there is the formation of cardiogenic area. And these are the primitive blood vessels. Okay, so this is the cardiogenic area. From cardiogenic area, the development of endocardial tubes occurs. Okay, so let's take this is the right side endotracheal tube, this is the left side endotracheal tube. This is the blood flow. This is endotracheal tube. So this is endotracheal tube. Next, what happens? Next, the fusion of the both-sided endotracheal tube occurs. This is fusion of the both-sided endotracheal tubes occurs. Okay, so this is the fusion into primitive heart tube. So it begins to form the heart tube, which is a single structure. So let's see the heart tube. So this is the heart tube. This is the heart tube. Okay, this is the heart tube, and okay, so this is truncus arteriosus. This is truncus arteriosus. This is bulbar cordis. This is primitive atrium, primitive ventricle. Primitive ventricle. This is primitive atrium. Okay, so let's simplify the diagram. This is a schematic diagram of the heart tube I'm going to draw, by which you can understand that from which the structure will develop. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Okay. Let's find out. This is truncus arteriosus. This is bulbar cordis. This is ventricle. This is atrium. This is sinus venosus. This is right horn. This is left horn. Okay, so let's see from which the structure will develop from different parts of the heart tube. From truncus arteriosus, there will be two structures developing from the truncus arteriosus. One is ascending aorta, and next is pulmonary trunk. Okay, next bulbus cordis. From bulbus cordis, there is two parts of bulbus cordis. One is conus arteriosus, and another one is called proximal 1/3 of the bulbus cordis. Okay, from conus arteriosus, smooth outflow part of both ventricle will develop, and from the proximal 1/3, rough inflow part of right sided ventricle. Okay, next ventricle. From ventricle, rough inflow part of left sided ventricle develops. Now from atrium, rough anterior part of both atria will develop, and from sinus venosus, smooth posterior part of right atrium develops. Now what is remaining? See, if you see, the smooth part of the left atrium remains. So now smooth part of left atrium, which is developed by absorption of pulmonary vein. Please remember this, guys. This is developed from absorption of pulmonary vein. Okay, so now after developing the ventricle and atrium, now the structure will look like this. Okay, so this part. Okay, so how this occurs, remember, the heart tube undergoes dextral looping and rotation. Dextral means toward right side. Okay, so let's see how. If this is the, let's take, this is the heart tube. Okay, then if you rotate this dextrally and start looping, then it will look like this. Now if you dextrally, then it will be like this. If you rotating and looping, and it will form like this. Okay, so same thing is occurring here. It's looping and rotating dextrally. So this portion is ventricle and atria parts grows upwards dorsally and to the left side. First write it, then I will try to understand this. Okay, then what? Truncus arteriosus end grows downwards ventrally and to the right. Okay, now again take, this is the heart tube, this is the heart tube, this is the heart tube, this is truncus arteriosus, this is the ventricle, this is the atria. Okay, so if you here truncus arteriosus end grows downwards ventrally and to the right. If you rotate this, first it will go downwards. Okay, so downwards ventrally and to the right side, to the downwards to the right side, like this, not like this. Downwards ventrally and to the right side, like this. So this portion will look like downwards ventrally and to the right side, which is occurring here, downwards ventrally and to the right side. And ventricle and atria will grow upwards dorsally and to the left, like this. So first take the truncus downwards to the right, and this portion will grow like upward look this here, this is upward dorsally and to the left side. Look, upward dorsally and to the left side. Okay, so this is the main important part you have to understand in the development of CVS. The next, those are main thing has done. Now the heart will complete its development. This okay. So I'm not a good artist, so I cannot draw pictures good, but I will try to understand this. You can understand this topic from my draw. So formation of atrium from atria part. Okay, and this is the formation of ventricle from ventricular part. Okay, in the next image so in the next image it will look like this near the differentiation blocker, and this is the atrium. Okay, so now the atrium goes beyond midline and backward, which is the position of atria in the actual heart, and this is the ventricle comes towards midline. Okay, towards the midline. Next step. So now the complete development of the heart is not done yet, but the ventricle and the atria are completely developed. This is truncus arteriosus, which will form the ascending aorta and the pulmonary trunk further. So I'll discuss about this in my next video. So first, this video is about the ventricle and the atrial development. Okay, so now this is the atrial development, and now this is the ventricles. Okay, so this is ventricles, this is the left ventricle, this is right ventricle, this is left atrium, this is right atrium, this is the truncus arteriosus. So what happened in truncus arteriosus? Truncus arteriosus start to develop. Bifurcation of the truncus arteriosus occurs and spiral formation, septal formation occurs, which converts this truncus arteriosus into ascending aorta, pulmonary trunk and ascending aorta. Okay. The development of the venous system I will discuss in my next lecture. So this was the development of the heart. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video, and if you enjoyed and learned something from this video, then please do not forget to hit the like button, and please, if you can subscribe my channel, then please subscribe.